Hi and welcome to yet another episode of our Hall of Fame. And today I have with me Mr. Srirang Joshi, who's into sales and marketing. Hi Srirang, how are you doing?
Great, great. Outstanding.
Talking about Srirang, he's into sales and marketing, and he's been working for the last 26 years. And he's been a part of a company called Technova, and he's heading the Pan India sales operation as a part of the corporate team. His job involves, I think, a lot of traveling as well as traveling a lot of times, in fact, and most of the places throughout India. Today, Srirang is going to share with us his journey of fitness when comes to what happened during the lockdown and how was it before the lockdown. Srirang, how has it been like, even before the lockdown? What was
Mhm.
the kind of activity you were engaged with when it came to fitness and things like that?
See, doctor, as far as fitness was, I would say it was, I never enjoyed or I never thought fitness is an indoor activity. It was always an outdoor activity,
Yeah.
whether it's a morning workout or a running or a trekking or whatever I've been doing along with entire my joints and motion buddies and trainers for past 5 years. So it's a fitness for my because the understanding and experience always said it is an outdoor activity. So that's fitness for me. Maybe
Yeah.
prior to lockdown, I can say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What went through your mind when this lockdown was announced in the end of March? And as a service provider, even we were not clear as to what will be our deliverables. So,
Uh-huh.
what went through your mind at that point of time?
See, by and large, initially when the lockdown was announced, everyone was. It's a long story now.
Yes.
Every person can write a book on this, but
Yeah.
but by and large,
Agree.
no one ever thought in the month of Feb or March, mid of third week of March when this lockdown was being imposed.
Yeah.
So everyone anticipated it would be an affair for 10 days, 15 days, maybe a month maximum, and that itself was in everyone's mind was like how we will be able to lock ourselves and etc. But subsequently, it became an affair of a month together, and that has
Yeah.
become a new normal kind of situation.
Yes. Absolutely.
But
Absolutely.
as far as when we link it to workouts, I never thought. I thought maybe whatever 2, 3, 4 weeks it's going to be a break. I'm not going to do anything. Maybe in a very few days or few weeks itself that the concept came in and you introduced that online and all of you said yes, 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 etc. But I was not very sure about myself. I said fine,
Yeah.
let's see.
Right.
Whenever outing starts or maybe outdoor workout starts, trekking, running and all, we'll
Yeah.
rejoin. And I thought we'll pass by those days. But then when it became an affair of months together, then we had to do something
Yeah.
kind of
Yeah.
situation. And then after a lot of persuasion from your side, from other trainers' side, after seeing that momentum, uh, after 3 weeks, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks afterwards, I joined. Initially, for a couple of days, or maybe 3, 4 days, I was not very comfortable to be very honest with you. But subsequently, when I saw maybe 8, 10 days or a couple of weeks down the line, we got that momentum and we said, yes, that's possible. That
Yeah.
confidence came in, and when we have seen the sincerity of other members
Yeah.
and got a momentum, and all said and done. Like if anyone asks to define and all fitness, many books, many people do preaching on that. But it's a feeling. Fitness is a
Yeah.
feeling, and there is no better feeling than feeling of being fit. So
Absolutely. That's
when
true.
normally you people push everyone, that is all fine. That motivation can last for some time, but eventually motivation comes from action, and
Absolutely.
action
Absolutely.
doesn't come from motivation. So when you
Yes.
complete that
Agree. Yes.
regime of 1 hour or so, how you
Yes.
feel, and that keeps
Yes.
you going. So
Yes. Great. That's very well said. What have you seen in terms of your results when it comes to physical, mental, and because this Corona times, it has been very difficult. As you can see, it's been negative news around. May it be the number of cases, may it be in the number of the kind of mortality we have seen around, or for that matter, even other aspects. May it be the economic crisis that we are going through. How it has been possible for you to keep yourself positive and not just about fitness, but also getting into a positive frame of mind? How helpful was this whole concept coming to you?
see, वो सर सलामत तो पकड़ी हजार.
Of course.
जान है तो जान है.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely. Absolutely.
maybe first, maybe under kind of feasibility of flexibility you have offered, maybe 6 to 7, 7 to 8, maybe again 6 to 7 in the evening. And what more you want, yeah? It's,
Yeah.
despite of all these things, maybe if you miss out, and then
Yeah.
once you're physically fit, see
Yeah.
what happens like when you're operating from home. Like
Mm.
there have been so many videos I've been floating on that operating from it's a less business and more business kind of situation
Yes.
for
Yes.
everyone. So
Absolutely. Yes.
it impacts on your moral in many ways, and to keep
Definitely.
that things going. First thing, maybe mental fitness, intellectual. There are various kind of fitnesses, but physical fitness is a beginning of everything. I would say there
Yeah.
would be always a debate: mental fitness, this fitness,
Yeah.
that fitness. But
Yeah.
first is
Yeah.
physical fitness. If that
Yeah.
is there, then
Yeah.
subsequently you can do everything. And rest of the things, if you have everything, and if you're physically dumb, if you're not
Yeah.
able to pull or do anything, it doesn't make sense. So
Yeah.
that starts within that feeling develops. So that is a key and that is a base. Once that base is strong, you can build everything according to me.
Yeah, and
So
like you said, nobody anticipated that this is going to last for such a long time. For that
correct,
matter, even now it has been there. It's not like the lockdown is completely gone off. We are also still taking a lot of precautions.
correct,
Still, a lot of things are yet to get a head start. And
right,
in such days, having a proper start of the day matters a lot. Getting into the right rhythm. So,
correct.
do you think it really helped from that perspective also? Because we would really count it from every day. We would rather not, because nobody was aware that this lockdown is for the next 6 months. We were always anticipating that it'll get over maybe in the next 1 week, or probably in the next 1 month, or probably,
Mhm.
so it was like we are counting days. So did you
True.
feel that every day, whenever you start your day, there has to be some sort of positivity that has to come in, and you have to keep pushing yourself for the next day at least? So do you think it worked out that way?
Undoubtedly, doctor. This question is like answer. You ask this question to 100 people, everyone will give you the same answer because even in this, like we are getting aligned to this new normal, as I said.
Yes, absolutely.
All these meetings on your online meetings, interaction with customers or your team or your whatever meeting starts from 9:30 onwards and it's endless throughout the day. So to keep up that momentum, to keep up that fire or maybe positivity throughout the day, you need to start your day on a right way.
True.
And the kind of like again, there is no escape. The kind of I'll not say these are rules or what, but you have been saying that to keep your videos off, keep it on mute, but yet keep your videos on. And when that is there, trainers keep watching. And if you do something dilly-dally, so someone, whether it is Deepak or Vijay or Utkar, someone will say, Shidang sir, come on, what happened? So it is like, despite of being virtual workout,
Yes, yes.
you have, these all trainers have developed that skill. Keep an
Yeah,
eye on each of the member.
yeah,
And
yeah,
it,
yeah.
it goes without saying. See, morning, just imagine, when, as I normally say, when people don't change for better choice. People change when there is no choice.
Yeah.
Correct. People change
Agreed,
when there is
agreed.
no choice.
Yes,
Had you given
absolutely.
or anyone given us this choice of doing online, I don't know about the rest of the world, but I would have never opted for it. And even
Agreed,
whenever
agreed.
things start, perhaps prefer to step out. Having
Yeah,
said this,
yeah,
I have realized that this can work, and this
yeah,
and that. It is
yeah.
not this or that
Yeah,
kind
so
of
I
thing.
think this is a very, very important point that you have made, that fitness is not dependent on any one factor
Very,
as such, and
very true.
it's always like, it doesn't have to be like, if you're a marathoner, it means that you are fit. You could probably achieve your
Correct.
fitness even if you're if you're confined to four walls, and if you're working hard, if you have that determination, if you have that grit, you can still keep
Correct.
yourself fit and make the most of it.
Yeah, maybe within this, I'll just give you an example. Like, say, for example, it's a momentum. Like,
Yeah.
say, for example, even before lockdown, many of us, you have seen many Jainamites, like, if we
Yes.
are regular for 5 days, 10 days, 12 days, we see that change in our body, posture,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
momentum, running form, everything. If we are
Yes.
irregular. Now,
Yes.
the example, if I relate now, for
Yeah.
work, definitely it helps in throughout the day to keep you charged up and to keep active.
Yeah.
But not only that, what I've seen, whenever maybe if I'm 3 days or 4 days regular in morning workout, six
Yeah.
to seven or 7 to 8, whichever batch I join, if I join that for 4 days, out of these 4 days, at least 3 days in the evening, maybe
Mm.
in a permissible limits, putting with necessary precaution, 3, 5, 6, 7 kilometers,
Yeah.
I've been running, or maybe at home I'll do some Surya Namaskar or some other exercise. So it
Great.
is not only morning. The
Yeah.
impact result or maybe extension is happening even in the evening. But if I
Super.
miss out morning workout for 3 days,
Yeah.
nothing will happen in the evening as well. So
Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
The whole momentum goes down. Agreed,
exactly,
agreed.
exactly.
So, having said that, I still have the question for you. For you, what is the difference between online and offline workout?
Funny. See, that's what. Yeah, if you ask me a question from tomorrow onwards, entire activities are going to be on rather offline or what we
Yeah,
say outdoor.
yeah,
I am an outdoor person. I'll prefer that.
yeah.
But one thing is for sure, it developed in confidence in myself. Indoor also can work, and
Yes,
indoor ideally we need to keep this activity alive because
yeah.
you never know.
Yes,
And this
yes,
has
yes.
worked very well, way
Definitely,
beyond, way ahead anyone's expectations. Maybe I'm
definitely,
sure you also
definitely.
must be very happy with the rather
Absolutely,
progression
absolutely.
so far. And this has become a part of life for many of us.
Yeah,
So
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
we should rather form an fusion or an integration of it. Even if outdoor activities are completely allowed in future, which will happen. Still, we need to keep this form alive and find a right kind of rhythm of, or maybe combination of indoor and outdoor again.
Yes, definitely, definitely. In
And
fact, we have this. Yes, yes, absolutely.
one another advantage of this, maybe if not regularly, earlier if I used to push my daughter to come and join us, there used to be
Yeah,
resistance. So
yeah.
the spiral impact of all these things
Yes,
has been
yes,
happening on
yes.
families as well. We
Yes,
can't
definitely.
quantify. So
In fact, I have seen in the morning there are two, three people who are actually working out as a family, which is the best
correct,
thing that I can see. I mean, if you can work out, and the best part is that they're all doing this as a family goal, which has a lot of
very good.
sense and which has a lot of strength, because everyone is working hard to keep themselves fit. And what better scene than this to see that the whole family is working out, just looking at a particular TV or probably a laptop, and just getting the instructions and helping out each other and trying to be fit. So this is happening actually with a lot of
Yeah,
our
yeah,
members. Yeah.
but there's one more disadvantage of this. You don't know that. Because they say कि this entire exercise happens in 1 hour. Whenever you go out, why do you come home after 3 hours? I don't have an answer for
Well,
that.
that is something is between you and so I may not be able to comment on this. So finally, what is your message to the audience? As you know, this
Yeah,
whole episode has been telecasted on our Joints in Motion page, which has more than 5,000 members, and also our community called the My Wellness Hub, which has
exactly.
around 4,000 members. So what exactly is your message to these people to inspire them and probably be a part of this fitness journey?
Uh, as I mentioned, जान है तो जहान है boss. Or you cannot, maybe you cannot push anyone, but I would still do that despite of saying this. And I've been trying my level best to pull people,
Yes.
make them insist them to do it for 6, 7, 8, 10 days. And the
Yeah.
day they find that chord, the day
Yeah.
they find that their own rhythm and that
Yes.
feeling of being fit, then it is like they have entered in one way. They will never go out. Correct.
Yeah.
So
True. True
till
that.
the
True that.
time they get into that complete rhythm,
Yeah.
we just need to hold their hand.
Yeah. I
Subsequently, they
agree.
will pull
I
few
agree.
more people,
Yeah,
and this,
ultimately,
yeah,
yes, ultimately fitness is independent. Even we as service providers, whatever we are doing, our objective is to help you realize the importance of fitness. Rather than making you do a exercise is probably
exactly.
only a 50% of the whole work.
Correct, correct, correct,
Rest of the work is making you realize that fitness is so important, and it is dependent on you. It is not dependent on me to be there, or the trainer to be there,
correct,
or
correct, correct,
someone else to be there. It's completely your
correct.
baby, and you have to take care of it altogether.
Exactly. In
So
fact,
I think.
you have been always been saying whenever I've seen when I joined in 2015 and other people also when I've
Yeah.
seen many people used to come and ask you one typical question: you teach us how to run. You said no. We will make you fit to run. Then
Yeah.
running is up to you.
Yes,
Correct.
absolutely,
So the same
absolutely.
thing applies
Yes.
here. So
Yes, I
the
agree.
only thing I can see maybe a spiral impact. All these 4,000 members, if they're there in wellness, everyone need
Yes.
to take maybe their own responsibility. So
Yes.
social responsibility kind of thing.
Yeah.
They need to
Yeah.
pull 3, 4, 5 people
Yeah.
on a monthly basis or whatever frequency they
Yes,
decide. And
absolutely.
maybe if
Yes.
I can, some other other way, if I can pull someone and maybe when I see a transformation in that person over the period of 1 year, he will be happy, but I'll be more happy that I have been a
Absolutely.
reason, maybe some of the other
Absolutely.
way I have helped someone.
Yeah, it's a
So,
complete
yeah,
chain reaction actually, which happens after one after the other, and I think yes, it should go on. So Thank you so much, Srirang, for having us, and thank you so much for putting your message to our audience. And I'm sure all our wellness members will keep initiating this and have more and more members in the group, because I hope you realize that we are constantly struggling to motivate you and get you on track and make you realize that fitness is not just merely now a option, but is a need of the hour. Okay, so thank you so much for watching us, and we'll be back with another Hall of Fame achiever who will talk about his journey on fitness. And thank you so much, Srirang, for your time
Good.
and being a part of
Perfect.
this show.
Just one thing
Yes,
to add, like for
yes,
everyone, this is not only maybe indoor exercise and all is fine, but apart from this, you give them some show, there's some carrot that
yes,
maybe once outdoor starts, we will have a
yes.
lot of tricks and so many things, which is
Absolutely. A
that
lot of the
expand
whole
that horizon
the
for
whole
them. So
the
there's,
whole
yeah.
Pandora of this activities will open up. Certainly, certainly.
Looking forward
Yes.
for that, Doc. Thank you very
Absolutely,
much.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Srirang. So
Thank you.
thank you so much for watching us. This is Dr. Sudarshan saying, signing off.